Hi, I'm Annie from Louisville Beauty Academy, and I'm excited to tell you something most people don't know. We've been doing this for years. Can you really finish a 1,500-hour Kentucky state-licensed cosmetology program in less than 10 months? Can you really pay under $7,000 total, with everything included? Yes, you absolutely can. And that's what makes Louisville Beauty Academy different. At Louisville Beauty Academy, we don't just say, "Yes, I can." We live it. This program was built for people who show up, work hard, and stay focused. If that's you, you'll not only succeed, you'll save thousands. We reward discipline and dedication. It's that simple. Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but it's 100% real. Our incentives are written right into your student contract. If you attend full-time and finish in less than 10 months, you can receive over $20,000 in automatic discounts. You end up paying less than $7,000 total, and that includes everything. No hidden fees. No surprise charges. We've been doing this for years. We make it easy and clear. Your tuition includes state-required kits, Milady CIMA online study system, books, registration, and even exam prep. And it's all listed in our public student contract online. We are proud to be fully transparent. No gimmicks, just real opportunity. There are fewer than 5 beauty schools in the entire U.S. offering this kind of speed, value, and honesty. We've been doing it for years, quietly helping students succeed without debt. So yes, we're rare, and we're proud of that. Look us up. Compare. You'll see the truth for yourself. Don't take just my word for it. Look at our graduates, moms, full-time workers, immigrants, young professionals. They completed 1,500 hours in 9.5 months or less, and they're now licensed and working. They made it happen. So can you. This isn't just about school. This is about your future. The beauty industry needs more licensed professionals right now. We train you fast, affordably, and with real skills so you can start working immediately. No loans, no delays. Just results. Come visit us at either of our 2 campuses, centrally located on Bardstown Road and in the South End at Harbor House. We welcome walk-in tours during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also text or email us anytime. We speak your language, and we proudly serve as Kentucky's most affordable, most flexible, and multi-award-winning beauty school.